Matters now, the Zamfara government says it has enhanced surveillance and its response to the outbreak of diphtheria disease in the state. At least 34 persons across the country have been confirmed dead as a result of the disease since its outbreak. Theophilus Darufai has details.
While diphtheria might not be a new disease, it has recently resurfaced in some parts of Nigeria. Diphtheria is a bacterial infection caused by the bacterium called Corynebacterium species that affects the nose, throat, and sometimes skin of an individual. Kano is one of the states that has recorded a high number of deaths from the disease since its outbreak. 25 persons, mostly children, died from the disease last week, and about 100 suspected cases have been recorded. In its quest to curb the spread of the disease, the Zamfara state government, through its primary health care board, says it has increased surveillance. Executive Secretary of the agency, Dr. Ismail Tukur, disclosed this at a quarterly media engagement organized by the board in Gusau. He says Zamfara state has not recorded any case, but developments are being closely monitored.
Having reported these cases in Kano, high level of surveillance is being put, especially among the teachers, that any child who presents with signs and symptoms of cough, sneezing, and other respiratory-related illnesses should be advised to be taken for medical care and not to be allowed to come to the school, so that this suspected infectious disease will not be spreaded.
Dr. Tukur relates symptoms of the disease, which can be prevented through vaccination.
Diphtheria is a bacterial disease which usually affects the children, but it's a disease that affects virtually everybody, but mostly children under the age of 1. And our stakeholders are advised to call on parents and guidance to ensure that children are fully immunized, as diphtheria is one of the diseases that can be prevented through vaccination.
The deadly throat disease called diphtheria is gradually spreading across the country, raising concerns among health officials and many Nigerians. Experts here says there's need for increased awareness among the populace and early laboratory tests to curtail the spread of the disease as the country is battling multiple disease outbreaks. Theophilus Darufai, TVC News, Gusau.